Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect. We have a 2015 Audi A4 S-Line, 86,000 miles, just serviced. Really nice car, great shape inside and out. Just did a fresh oil change on it, new timing chains on it as well. See, the rear bumper has some wear, showing a little bit of light scratches and stuff, but right here as well. But besides that, overall, the body's really clean. Small dent right here on the fender well. Has a RS4 style front end on here. Has leather, sunroof, Bluetooth, heated seats, all-wheel drive, 2.0 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. Pretty much your standard Audi 4-cylinder engine. We'll go ahead and give her a start up. And she has 86,000 miles on it. If this is something you might be interested in, give us a call at 228-438-2056. Or you can email us at theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you need any repairs on your Audi, Volkswagen, or Porsche, definitely give us a holler if you're in the southern Mississippi area. Thanks for checking out our video.